How to remove best friends from Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video we are going to learn how we can remove best friends on Snapchat, so make sure to watch the video till the end. So you can open up Snapchat. You tap on the little chats option. You happen to have a couple of best friends. Now in order to remove someone from best friends, you have to understand how they were added in the first place. So this is an automated process that Snapchat does. When they think that you have been exchanging snaps frequently, then they add them to your best friends list. So in order to remove them from the best friends list, you have to use the same algorithm to your own advantage. That means that you need to simply stop exchanging snaps. When you do this for a couple of hours, couple of days, then in that case Snapchat is going to notice that and automatically remove them from the best friends list. So you just need to stop exchanging snap with that person. Even if they send you, then in that case they will get removed from the best friends list automatically. But let's say you don't have time for that, you want to remove them instantly. In that case, the only way you can do this is to simply unfriend them completely, which will also ultimately remove them from the best friends list but also from their friends list. So you can tap on manage friendship, then you can choose to remove them friend and then add them as a friend again. And when you add them again, they will be added as a normal friend, but of course that person will know that you have unfriended them. So the only thing that you can do is use the algorithm to your own advantage or unfriend them completely to also remove them from your best friends list. So hope this video helped you as to how you can remove best friends on Snapchat. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.